Okay. I wanna play. Where you wanna play? I want you to play. I want you to play. Sassy.
You're not worthy enough for that. You're like my mom. All she does is sleep.
No, but I want you to play this.
No.
Please.
No.
Please. Please, por favor, come play. Sassy.
We should be going to sleep tomorrow. I mean today.
Sassy, come.
No? For what?
Play.
What game?
Come.
What game is it?
Come. Please, it's a 2-player game.
For what though?
Come, please.
What is it though?
Come. Oh my gosh. Sarai,
I want to
come.
do a video. I won't play.
Okay, come. Real fast and then we'll do a video. Please. It's not fast. It's just... You need to put the thing up.
Maybe
Come.
it's new.
Sassy.
Respond to someone real quick. Okay, what game is this though?
And she talks about boys. Come.
Oh. Nah.
One time.
Alright, click the play.
Come. Come. Okay, I go first. You have...
Nah.
No, it's... No, come. You have to forward. I just you know. Sassy, nothing's gonna pop out. Come, come.
Yo,
Oh my gosh.
I gotta help you.
No, come. You gotta pop out. Whoever gets the X loses.
Demonio, I told you.